What's up, guys? Steve here from Car Breaking LA, and we are doing our 5-box mixer 630. Great lineup. Surprised it took as long as it did to fill, but I'm glad we got it filled, and we are breaking now. So let's do it live. Good luck on your teams. I got a feeling it's going to be a big card here somewhere. 951, and we got Anaheim to Winnipeg, and Mr. Remerchuk to Kevin on the bottom. Good luck, folks. 941. We'll start with our teams. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is 951. 951 just about to turn 952. Last and final random will do it. LA on the top, Chicago on the bottom. 952. And 952 it is. Copy these over. LA top spot, like I said, mini, halfway mark. You might want to stay away from there. LA to mini, and then Tampa Bay to Chicago. There's your teams. Let's do the names. 952. And Michael to Kevin. 1, 2. Maybe. There's 2. 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 952. 952. Last and final will do it. Last and final timestamp here. 952 and 952. Jordan, top 2 teams, down to Pat at the halfway mark. Sorry, man. And then we got Mr. Aaron to Jay on the bottom. All right, folks. There's your teams. We'll post them in the groups. We'll post them in the comments, and we'll see you in less than 10. Best of luck. Thanks for joining us.